Hi, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel behind the scenes in health. To Ron, if you're new here, my name is Ronald, and I talk about everything healthcare, health tech, alternative careers, very interesting thing around medicine. So if that's what you're looking for, you're in the right place. So just hit the subscribe button. So on today's episode, I'm gonna be talking about five schools. The five, one, two, three, four, five. Actually, six schools in the UK who offer MSc Public Health, and this comes off the back of one of the episodes on the show where I talked about the different jobs and opportunities for people who graduate from MSc Public Health or MSc Public Health and Health Promotion, depending on the school. And I just thought I should talk about some of the schools that offer this course. Like I usually say, this list is not exhaustive, it's just a guide. So without wasting time, I'll just go through them. So looking at the school, the duration of program, the type IELTS requirement, fees, and if scholarships are available. And the first school on the list is Skill University, and the program duration is actually for 24 months and it's online. So, for you to get into the program, you need an undergraduate degree or your first degree. And if English is not your first language, then you need an IELTS with a minimum of 5.5 across the different bands. So the total program is about £8,500 in total, and this is for international students. So you can actually pay in modules. So if you want to be paying module by module, that's going to cost you about £850 per module. So you want to check the website of the school for further information about that. Are there scholarships available? Yes. So you want to check out the website for the details on how to get those scholarships. And if you're a home student or you're living in the UK, then you might be eligible to government loan or postgraduate loans to cover this. But for international students, just bear in mind you have to pay the full cost of the money, full cost of the course rather. So next school is University of Aberdeen, which is in Scotland. So you've got the option of the 12 months, 24 months, or 36, and you can do that in person or online. So for you to get into the program, you should have a health related degree as your first degree, maybe medicine or nursing, anything health related anyway. And you should be able to have an IELTS score of 6.5. Yep, 6.5, and minimum of 6.0 in all bands, and nothing below 5.5 really. So just keep it at that level. Then in terms of costs for the international students who I'm actually doing this for, you're looking at the cost of £23,800 for your tuition fees. Quite pricey. Are there scholarships? Yes. So you want to check out the websites on how to access those scholarships because they are quite competitive. So, but something to consider is you can, because they talked about the IELTS equivalent too, but you just want to check that out really. But just bear in mind that it's a 6.5, minimum of 6.0 across all bands, and you should be fine. Then the next school is University of Manchester. That's a 1 year program, intensive, and it's full time, so you need to be there in person. If English is not your first language, then you need an IELTS score to get into the program of 6.5, minimum of 6.0, especially in writing. You should also have, in addition to this, basically your first degree. It could be medicine, nursing, or any health related degree, and you're going to budget the sum of £26,000 for your tuition. Quite pricey again, I must say. Are there, what do you call it now, scholarships available? Yes, there are scholarships available. Quite competitive, so you want to check the school website out for them to give you details about that. Then, yep, then you talk about the University of East London, which is 15 months full-time program. You need an IELTS score of 6.5, minimum of 6.0 across all bands. This is in addition to your first degree, which could be medicine or health related degree. If you've been working in a health related sector, that can also suffice, but then you have to write a pretty strong supporting statement to back up why you're studying this course. And in terms of fees, you're looking at the sum of £15,240 for your tuition for the whole program, and scholarships are available, so you want to check that out. The next one is University of Huddersfield, where you've got 1 year program or 2 years part time, and it's actually full time. So, in addition to your first degree, you need to have an IELTS score 6.5, right, with a minimum of 6.0 across the different four bands. And as I'm doing this, the fees are now available on the website, and they also have scholarships available. Now, one thing to note is for Huddersfield, they are asking for, I think, a 1 year public health working experience, probably in health education, health promotion, clinical health experience, health policy, or other health related fields, really. So just bear that in mind when you're doing your application. And the last one is the University of Wolverhampton, where you've got 12 months full time and 2 years part time. It's full time, IELTS score of 6.5. Yeah, 6 points. Overall score of 7.0 with minimum of 6.5 across the all bands. Right? Yeah, 6.5 with a minimum of 5.5 in each area. Sorry about that. And the school fees is £14,450. Do they have scholarships? Yes, they have scholarships. So you want to check out the website of the school, University of Wolverhampton, to get the details of how you can access the scholarship. So, like I said in my previous video where I talked about the different job opportunities that public health graduates can do, it's quite a lucrative field. It's interesting, it's fulfilling, it's rewarding. So if you're ever considering public health, then it's a good area to get into. I also did a video about the different public health specializations that are possible, where you talk about global health, talk about epidemiology, talk about biostatistics, you talk about public health informatics, you talk about nutrition, health promotion, a whole lot of them. So you want to check out that video to see what specializations are available. And we're working hard to get some of these people to come and talk about what they do in all of those specialties, so that you can have a more rounded experience and better informed decision making, really. So that's it from me on today's episode. If you've enjoyed this episode, please give us a like, share this video, and tell us in the comment section what you think, or the kind of videos you think we should do, or the information you want us to share on the channel. And until I come your way next episode, I still remain your host, Dr. Ron, and I'd like to say bye for now.